Hi guys, Sean at Cowtown USA. We've got a really nice Exiss trailer that we just came in. It's a 3-horse. It's got the bigger LQ with the Superslide in it. Walk down the side, it's got the dual hydraulic jacks, lockable battery box, polished corrugation all the way down the side, good armor plating. This trailer does have a Sierra conversion in it. Just a really pretty trailer. It's got a good set of tires all the way around it. Step back here a little, let you look at the whole side. Go around here to the back. It's got the good briar lock, so one key will unlock all the doors on the trailer. Adjustable saddle racks, bridle hooks, brush box. It is a collapsible rear tack. It does have your stud divider. All the rubber mats on the floor are in great shape. It's got your divider pads, or your chest pads, I guess. Back wall's all in good shape. Then over here we've got really big manger doors to get things in and out. Carpeted wall. We got drop down feed windows with the built-in face bars. Escape door. Like I said, it does have the Superslide on it. So, all right, let's go in the inside and we'll look at it. All right, we're gonna step up here to the inside of this trailer. With the Superslide, you get the couch and the dinette. It's got your TV, more storage, your controls for the radio with the speakers outside, really good steps up to the bed with a really good handrail. Storage in the neck, storage above the window. Roll around over here. We got your big dual stainless sinks. This trailer is equipped with an oven, microwave, lots of storage, good solid cabinets. Your big fridge, big pantry. Hey, it's got a hanging closet there you could use as a pantry, and it's also got another one down here. So lots of storage. Big neo-angle shower. Nice vanity with the medicine cabinet above it for some more storage. Roll over here, we've got another big storage closet for hanging clothes. Got soft Alright guys, if you're interested in a trailer, give us a call, 573-885-6300, or go to Cowtown USA Inc.com.